To help build a loyal customer base, a growing number of small business owners are using a simple yet highly effective tool: monthly newsletters. Why do newsletters work?
They work because you're targeting that individual's interests. A businessman has a particular thing that he wants to sell, or he has a particular objective of his business, and what he's doing is communicating to that audience what he does. He's differentiating himself. He's making himself more valuable.
Describe the newsletter process.
The first thing I do is learn about that client's business. The next thing I do is learn what the client's market is, or as he perceives it. Then we begin to develop the outline of the communication that we want to make to that audience. What do we want to talk about? What is of interest to that audience that we can build a newsletter on? I do the research, make sure that what we're talking about is accurate, it's current, it's factual.
I assume a company needs to be consistent when sending out newsletters.
If you send it out sporadically, it has no benefit. You may as well not spend your money or waste the time doing it, because it doesn't work.
Give us a tip on how to make a newsletter really stand out.
One of the secrets of a good newsletter is to inject some humor into it. And I recommend very highly to all my clients that they do two things. They put a picture of themselves, because people like to know who they're doing business with, and humor. People remember funny jokes, funny stories, and they don't have to be dirty.
How has technology changed the newsletter industry?
When I first started this business in 1995, 99% of the newsletters went out via U.S. mail, currently called snail mail. Today, 90% of the newsletters are going out electronically, email.
What is the primary objective of a good newsletter?
If you have a friend, what do you want to do? You want to stay in touch with them. Make your client a friend. Why should somebody use a newsletter? Because it's cost effective and it works.